In today's world, something unexpected is happening. More and more people are choosing pets instead of having children. Dogs, cats, even birds are now being treated like full family members. But why is this change happening? And what does it say about modern life? Across the United States, millions of adults proudly call themselves pet parents. Pets sleep in our beds, celebrate birthdays, and even have their own social media pages. According to recent trends, spending on pets has reached record levels every year. For many people, pets provide love, comfort, and companionship without the pressures of parenthood. Raising children today is more expensive than ever. Housing costs, education, healthcare, and childcare are major concerns. Many young adults are also focused on careers, personal freedom, and mental health. Some people simply feel that they are not ready or do not want the lifelong responsibility of raising children. Pets offer emotional support without judgment. They don't argue, they don't demand expensive college fees, and they fit more easily into busy lifestyles. For people living alone or couples delaying parenthood, pets fill an emotional gap. In many homes, pets are no longer animals, they are family. This shift has sparked debate. Some believe pets help reduce loneliness and stress in modern society. Others worry that declining birth rates could affect future generations. There is no simple answer, only changing values and lifestyles. Families today look very different from the past. For some, family means children. For others, family means pets. And for many, it means both. What matters most is love, responsibility, and care, regardless of form. So, are pets replacing children? Or are they simply becoming another way people experience family? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you believe pets are family too, subscribe to our channel.